Good afternoon. This is a demonstration of how the IrisTime 100 works for punching employees in and out with our attendance on demand automated timekeeping software. We're first going to show an employee approaching and how it works quickly and easily if they cooperate. Then we're going to have the second part of the video will show how an employee who doesn't line up properly will get some feedback from the clock that will help them get lined up properly. So first, go and punch now. The green check mark showed that it was an accurate and easy punch. Now he's going to approach the clock incorrectly on purpose, and you can see the clock guide him to the right position. Tells him to move to the left and to move forward, and then gives him the accurate punch. Thank you for your time. If you have any further questions, you can contact us on the information shown on the screen.